Today we're going to be looking at a tablet called Zincovit, which is basically a multivitamin tablet used as a nutritional supplement that restores the amount of vitamins and minerals in your body and helps to improve your overall health. It contains vitamins A, B complex, C, D, and E, along with minerals such as magnesium, manganese, iron, copper, selenium, chromium, zinc, and grapeseed extracts. These are essential for the proper functioning of the heart, nervous system, and also to boost immunity. Helps to meet your energy needs, to beat a hectic lifestyle, and keeps fatigue and tiredness at bay. Now, the uses of Zincovit tablet is that it strengthens the immunity and helps fight immune deficiency disorders, treatment and prevention of vitamin and mineral deficiencies, help in the formation of red blood cells and enhances the absorption of iron in the body, improves appetite, helps ensure quick recovery from illnesses, helps to counter fatigue, useful during pregnancy and other surgeries, important for the proper functioning of the nervous system, also important for the proper functioning of general health and overall well-being. The directions for use: the tablet is advised to be taken as per your doctor's advice, usually 1 tablet per day, preferably after meals, is recommended to fight nutritional deficiencies, only as per your doctor's recommendation. Some important tips are: you must not take Zincovit tablet if you're allergic to its components. Talk to your doctor if you have other existing medical conditions, or you are on other medications, or you have a planned surgery or operation. These types of supplements are intended to supplement the diet of some people, and it should not substitute a well-balanced, healthy diet. Side effects are nausea, vomiting, stomach upset, headache, skin rashes, allergic reactions. Storage and safety information: store it room temperature between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Keep away from direct sunlight, and also keep out of reach of children. Now, moving on to some of the commonly asked questions about this tablet. What if you forget to take a dose of Zincovit tablet? If you miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it is almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and take the next dose. Do not double the dose to make up for the missed one, as it may increase the chances of developing side effects. Is this tablet safe? You should be taking this tablet as advised by your doctor, in the same duration and dose as advised. Take it as directed and do not skip any dose. Swallow it as a whole. Do not chew, crush, or break it. Doesn't matter whether you take it before or after meal, but as your doctor says, you should take it as per that. It should be taken with food to reduce side effects like upset stomach. So that's all regarding the information about this multivitamin tablet.